Okay, in the diagram below, M is the center. X squared. So again, x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. Line AB passes through M, the center of the circle. The equation of the radius PM is 3y minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. PT is a tangent to the circle at P, and PT is parallel to AB. Now, I would like a learner to actually read that slowly, and we must actually take down the information that we have. Any learner who wants to read, please? Yes, Pumzile?
In the diagram below.
Yes?
M is the center of the circle, x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0.
Okay, stop there. Now, where is M? Let's locate M. So we're going to locate our M. We have our M here, is our center, right? Yes. And M consists of coordinates. What are the coordinates of M? Raise up your hand. Yeah, go on. It's A, B. That's my baby. A, B, right? Yes. Okay, so we are given M, and then we are also given what? The equation of the circle. Ne? The equation of the circle APB, we can call it. APB. Yes? Line, just proceed, please.
Line AB passes through M, the center of the circle.
Okay, let's see that. So here's line AB. Line AB, which passes through M, the center of the circle. We can visualize that, yeah?
The equation of radius PM is 3y minus 8 plus 7 is equal to 0.
So what they're saying here is you are given the equation of a line of this line. You're given the equation of line PM. Here's the equation of the line PM. They've given it to you. Okay?
PT is a tangent to the circle at P, and PT is parallel to AB.
So they are telling you you've got a tangent to the circle. They're telling you that PT is a tangent to the circle. Now, what is a tangent? It will be the question. What is a tangent? Okay, let's hear. Amu, what is a tangent? Amkhalang? Very good. 3 plus 1 to 3. Now, what is the relationship between... Actually, let me ask this question like this. What can we say from there? What can we do from here, from this circle? From the statement that we've been given there? Yes? No, pendula mean. We've got a circle there. We've got a tangent. We've got the radius. What can we do? What do we know? Anything that we know? Even before we go to the questions. Yes, Lulu? I'm telling science. Please clap for Lulu. Hold on, Lulu. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. What's the reason, Lulu? That's good. That's good. That's amazing. That's good. That's amazing. What else can you say? We have ask again my question. What else can we say? Yes, Kimalian? A, yes. A, M, and? It's equal, and it? Yeah, it's one line. Very good. 3 plus 1 to 3. Colleen, yeah, that's good. You're amazing. Zintle? PMB is equals to? Yes. Guys, you're doing well. Yo, I'm Italian recording. Yo. Yes. And then what else? What else can we say? Yes. The gradient of, very good. This is beautiful. 3 plus 1 to 3. The gradient of TP is equals to? TP is equals to the gradient of AB. What's the reason? They are parallel lines. Ne? Okay. Now let's go to the questions. Determine the coordinates of M. So the first question, we are told to determine the coordinates of M. Solutions. 2.1. M, we need to find which is going to be made of A is to B. A is to B. The coordinates of M is the center. MA is to B. Now, how can we do this? Equation. We are given the equation. What is it?
X squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y minus 5 is equal to
Okay, plus y squared
plus 4y minus 5.
minus 5 is equals to? 0. Perfect. And then from there, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? So transpose to 5. Okay, that's fine. So we've got x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y is equals to 5. Okay? Complete the square. Okay? Who wants to take me through that process? Okay? Anyone wants to take me through that process? Come, Pumzile, come do it. I trust you. You've got this. Should I write? Okay. X squared, yeah? Minus 2x, yes? 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 Okay. Let's go into detail how you got the negative 1. Go into detail, yes? Negative 2, the coefficient of x over 2, yeah? Squared, yes? Now, let me just do this. We've added that this side. What must we add this side again? The same thing again? Yes. So it's going to be plus negative 2 over 2 squared. Again? So we've got plus y squared plus 4y. What must we do? Retrieve the coefficient there? Y again? Okay, yes. Proceed with us, Pumzile. Pumzile, yes? Yeah. Yes. Okay, give me like that one. Give it a chance. 4 over 2. We are showing like the step. Yes, so you get 1, which is amazing. It's right. But we are showing the step how you got the answer. Very good. Squared, right? And we must add that to the other side also. So plus 4 over 2 squared. And then what do we get here? X squared minus 2x plus 1. These 3 are a family. And then you get y squared, yeah? Yeah? Plus 4 is equals to? 10. It's equals to 10. And then, what do you do from there? You open a bracket, yes? So how do you do this? Who can help me? Yes? Vio, yes? Like, le bracket lessons, Sure, Vio?
How do you do it?
Yes, to factorize this bracket. Who can help us? Yes? Let's see, yes? A.
X minus a squared.
Yes?
Yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, I said let's go like this bracket. X.
Okay. X.
Squared minus 2x plus 1.
And how are we going to do that? Yes? Okay, yeah. We can the sign in the middle, okay? So exactly the way it is. What do I do? Who wants to help us with that? To factorize this, go completing the square. To factorize the bracket that consists of 3 terms, the trinomial. How do you do that? Yes, Pumzile? Okay, what is that? What is that? X squared, from x squared to x, to in. What? In x squared to x, what did you get? I'm saying x. What is the relationship between x and x squared?
X.
Yes, there's something. It's the what? For example, what is the relationship between 4 and 2? 2 is the what? 2 is the what of 4? 2 is the what of 4? Something specific. 2 is the what of 4? Is the square root, no? Yes. What is the square root of x squared? X. So x is the square root of x squared. So how do you find these terms? How do you find the first one? You take the square root. You look for the square root of the first term. What is the square root? X. You look for the? Very good. Which is what? 1. And then how do you get your sign? The 1 in the middle. And then you just put squared. Plus. Okay, let's have someone help us with this one now. Yes. Which is y. Wait. Y, yes. Which is? Plus, good. Yes. Good. Squared is equals to? 10. Right? Yes. So what are the coordinates of m? 1 is 2. Negative 2. Very important. Yes. Okay. Okay. Oh yes, because that's a very good question. 3 plus 1 to 3. That's a very good question. I like it. Zinzima zijaji ndoda. Okay. Now look at the equation of a circle. It has x minus a. So if you've got x minus 1, ne? What is a? 1. If you have x plus 1, what was a? Because, yes, you see, equation yako is in the form of x minus a. So, for you to be fine, just remember, whatever the sign is here, this is not the sign of A. A has got the opposite side. Yes. So if it's x plus 1, the sign of A will be negative 1. If it's x minus 1, the A will be positive 1. Ne? Perfecto. And this was Yebo. M applies to B, same thing. Nani? Marking, ne? Okay. Okay. So in terms of marking, you're going to get a mark for square 10. If you have 10, you're going to have a mark. For 1, you get a mark. For negative 2, you get a mark. For the button, completing the square, you get a mark for that. So that is out of 4. Can we proceed? Okay. Next question. Write down with reasons the size of PMD. PMB. B. So uzoyenza kanjani? Lulu? Yes.
TPM Tan perpendicular to red.
Okay, let's write it down. TPM is equals to 90 degrees. Yo, tan perpendicular to red. Tan perpendicular to red. Okay, yes?
There was inflation. PMB is equal to TPM.
You guys work as a group. You're amazing. I love it. I love it. You're one good family. PMB is equals to. The reason is alternate angles.
Therefore,
What are the parallel lines? TP is parallel to. You see? Yes, very important. Ibaluleke kakhulu. Zonke, zisebenza zonke. My partner. So it's 1, 2, 3. So that's the 3 mark. That's how you mark that. If you don't have reasons, you get 2. Short time. Therefore, angipalile musnayo. Okay, you want it like that, it's fine. PMB is equals to 90 degrees. Are we good? Next question. Yes? Yes, Amu? Let's see what you did. That's good. That's good. That's good. Good. Okay, some of you found this angle from going around. Some of you found the angle PMA and cointerior angles. It's 90 degrees. And then from there you use angles on a straight line. So it's also 3 marks. That's good. Well done. Well done. Determine the equation of line AB. We want to find the equation of line AB. We are given the equation of PM. What is the relationship between line PM and line AB? Very good. So PM is perpendicular to? PM is perpendicular to AB. So that's what we know. Which question is this one?
Question 2.3.
2.3. So 2.3, we know that PM is perpendicular to?
AB.
PM is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, what do we know?
Therefore,
Gradient, yes, Vuyo? Do you know the equation of PM? Here equation got PM.
3y minus x plus 7 is equal to 0.
3y
Minus x
3y minus x plus.
plus 7 is equal to 0. Polygon equal.
So now, can you find the equation?
Yes.
We can find the equation, eh?
Yes.
But now we must find in terms of what?
Y.
In terms of y. So now, how can we find that 3y is equals to?
It's equal to x minus 7.
Divide by?
3.
X is equals to 1 over 3 x minus 7. Now, what is the gradient of PM?
Negative 3.
What would be the gradient of AB then? Gradient of AB will be equals to? Negative. I get it. Because the gradient of PM is equals to what? 1 over 3. Remember? Okay, let's do it like this. Come, my love. What's the stand? Let me help you, my baby. Come. Come sit next to me. Come. 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 Please come sit here. Please sit here. Please. Ask Kis. Please sit together, Mol. Yo, but yes, that side in the corner so that you can be able to see the board. Need to. Okay. Now from there, we've got -3 because we're gonna say one. Again, it's 1/3. It's positive. When they are perpendicular, what do we do? What do we do? Reciprocal, like it. Yes, which is going to be 3/1. What about the sign? Changes. It's going to be negative. So it's going to be -3/1. Right? Now, we want the equation of AB. What else can we use? We only have the gradient. No. Positive 1/3. So, yes. I-gradient yethu. I-gradient ka PM naila. This is the gradient. Remember, its equation is in the line mx plus c. Yes. Mx plus c. So we've got the gradient lab. So we have a gradient which is 1/3 of PM. Now this will be the gradient of AB. From there, can we now go to find the equation of AB? Yes. Yeah? Good. Positive is positive 1/3. A gradient ka PM. Are we fine? Can we now find the line of the equation of AB? Y is equals to -3 plus C. Do we know any point? Which point do we know? A point that goes through A, B. M. What is that point? 3 times 1 plus C. So C is 1. C is equals to 1. Okay, I'm saying that it's negative. Oh yes, there's a negative there. I'm looking at that negative. So it's going to be 1. Good. But based on that, it was wrong. Based on what I wrote? Yes. 1. Okay, good. Y is equals to -3x plus 1. Are we happy? Yes. That is the equation of AB. How? It's right? No? Yes. It's sharp. Okay. Now coming to marking. Yebo. Wenzeni mntanami? Yeah. So when it comes to marking, 1 mark for having the gradient of PM as 1/3. 1 mark for having the gradient of AB as -3. 1 mark for substituting the value of substituting M. This is a different method of finding the equation. Y1 is equals to M x minus x1. Y1 is the xy coordinate of M. X1 will be the x coordinate of M. Yes. So for substitution, it's 1 mark for the final answer 1. So that is out of 4. Are we good? Now, they say determine the coordinates of A. That is 2 marks. Now we need to understand what is A. How can we find the coordinates of A? Mbalenhle. Singathola njani ama coordinates ka A? Yes? Maputi, how did you do it? Why? Maputi, please try. Maputi, what did you write? No, Maputi, how are you going to do it? Maputi, please make it, try something. Let's try. Come on, try. Maputi, say something. No, khayitilo wena, choose wena. Ngicela ukuthi uzame, please. Okay, who wants to help? Yes, Tabila is not saying. Yes, I'll go next today. Yes, yeah, good. AB, the line AB, yes. We've got the line AB and it, which was what? 2.4. 2.4. Y is equals to negative 3x plus 1. Now, I don't want that. By the way, I don't like it when you don't try. Please just try. That's what I always talk about. Please. Please, change of attitude. Maputi. Please, Maputi. Yes, because I care. And then what do you have? What is the point that you have? X to 0. Yes. Are we happy with that? Yes. Cause of what? Y-intercept. That's good. The coordinate is x is 0 is equal to something, yeah? Yeah. So now we've got y is equal to negative 3 times 0 plus 1. Y is equal to 1. The coordinate of A is
0 to 1.
Enjoy king. Or 2 marks. Okay. Let's proceed. Okay, let's proceed. Next question. Ngicima ifoni. Ngimosha ifoni. Angeke ngisaphila. Okay, if TM is equals to square root of 80, TM, yo, this class, like, when we are happy, I get so happy. Can you wait? Okay, square root of 80. Square root of 80 there, that's TM. What is Tolen?
Determine the length of P. Tangent.
Okay, determine the length of
P tangent.
PT and it. Yes. We've got a right angle triangle. So how will we do that?
Pythag.
We can use Pythag, ne? So we've got a right angle triangle there. And we say this is square root of 80. Do you have any other length? Yeah? Good. I need to connect to TM. You don't need to write. You don't need to write it, my baby. You can trust me. Okay. And then what else are you going to be able to find? So that you want us to use Pythag. To just in TP, ne? So what can we find? Can we find TP straight up? What must we find? PM, yeah? What is PM? 10. Are we good with that?
Yes.
Okay. PM, how are we going to find PM? I liked how you said that one. It was so nice. Cause I like it. Now, wenze njani? Wenze njani? Akho wenze. Okay? Do we know the coordinates of P?
The coordinates of
P. We don't know. By the way, good. Distance formula or something else? Use the distance formula to get 10. Yeah? But do we know M? What are the coordinates of M?
1 is negative 2.
The coordinates of P? We don't know them. So can we find P? I'm using the distance formula. We don't know X and Y. It's how many marks? Let's look at the marks. 3 marks. Yeah, 3 marks. So what do you need to do? Somebody said PM is equal to 10. That person. Bamtole. Think a little bit. Don't think a lot. To find? Oh, yes. Mamelani. Shh. Please, guys, listen. Come in. Yes? Yeah? How are you? Sharp. Okay. Let's proceed. So, guys, listen. So we got the equation, remember? We got the equation where we're looking for M. M. Let's go back. Yeah, we got the equation in the form x minus a y plus b squared is equals to r squared. Your r squared was equals to what? 10. What is r? R will be square root of 10. Yeah, so r is square root of 10. So that tells you that this is square root of 10. PM is the radius, so it's the square root of 10. Now let's go find TP. Ntolenga, guys. Let's see. Square root 70. Yes? So we're going to say this is the hypotenuse, isn't it? Is equals to y x squared, okay? X squared plus square root of 10 squared again. So x squared will be equals to 80 minus 10. 80 minus 10. So x squared is equals to 70. And then x will be square root 70. S? Oh, okay. Okay, so we're in the decimal form.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Marutole square root of 70, and then you did more. Well done. Shout out to you. Good. Senzeni thina ukulamba kwakho. Square root of 10. Square root of 10. 1 mark. And then 80 minus 10. 1 mark for the final answer. Pythagoras theorem, 1 mark. For the final answer, 1.
Yes.
Good. That is out of 16. Okay. Boys and girls, thank you.
Boy and girl.
Okay. Boy and girls. Good. Yes. Listen. Thank you. It was beautiful. So the lesson has ended. Thank you.